Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to update AMD Radeon graphics card drivers, AMD Radeon software download and install. First, we're going to open up our browser right here, and we should go to the site that says amd.com/en/support. I'll also put it in the description box below so you can just copy or click on the link to go on this download page. Once you're here, we have these drivers for Windows and Linux, auto-detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon series graphics and Ryzen chipsets. So it will detect and update both the graphics and Ryzen chipsets. Now we can click on download Windows driver right here since I have Windows 10. Click save and let's open this file that we just downloaded. Click on yes. And now it should say checking your PC's hardware for driver and software compatibility. It is also recommended to save your work and close other applications before proceeding to install. Now let's just wait for this. Now this next page should pop up and it will show up the graphics that is recommended to install. You can also click on additional options to see the install location and the install type. I'm gonna just change the install location to the drive that has the most storage. For example, I'm going to install it on my drive D and click on program files and select the folder. After that, just click on next right here. You can just click no on this option right here or yes depending on your preference. Click on next right here and click on install once again. Now it should download and extract the minimal build and just wait for it to be downloaded and extracted. Now it should download the packages and you have a time remaining here, so you just have to wait for it to be downloaded. Again, to recap on all the steps, we have opened the software installer, it checked the PC's hardware for driver and software compatibility, and then it asked you to install our recommended software, and you clicked on next, and it gave a list of chipset drivers for us to install. We clicked on install, and that should basically sum up your installing and updating your drivers for AMD Radeon series graphics and AMD Ryzen chipsets. And that is how you can basically update AMD Radeon graphics card drivers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.